Okay, artificial intelligence means simple. Here, right, we just teaching to the computers to think and work like a humans. Right, some people's actually calling it as a mission. Some people's actually calling it as a right a computer server. Anyway, all are same. Means we just teaching to the this machines to think and work like a humans. Right here, guys, AI right gonna right take care of few things. Few things. Okay, let me tell you those things here. The very first thing is, the very important thing is, okay, right? AI, right? Actually, learn the data. Learn from data means already, right? Existing data is available. Like, for example, if you're part of healthcare, if you're part of banking domain, insurance, stock market, right? Any domain, the domain already having the data, right? The domain already having the data, right? So whatever the existing data is there, right? Based upon the existing data, this A actually gonna learn. Data is mandatory, right? Data here mandatory. The very first one, right? Learn from the data. Second one is right. A actually gonna take the decisions. Simple, make a decisions, right? Make a decisions. Okay. Next one is right. Problem solving. Very, very important. Problem solving. Next, understand the language. So the language may be anything, either Telugu, English, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Urdu, anything, right? So for example, nowadays everyone using the ChatGPT, right? So if you give your own language, right? So if you want, you can convert into the any languages. So AI, right? Understand the right your language. Anyway, I will share the notes also. We'll create a drive and we'll give the access, right? Drive access also. The drive will upload the recording sessions, materials, PPTs, Word documents, notes, and everything, even the Python files, the codes, everything. And the final one is, right, fifth point is, right, whatever we are trying to upload the images or else voices into the this chat GPT or else Gemini, right, it will recognize the images. It will recognize the right the voice, right? Recognize the images and the voice. So these are all the common things, right? The back end actually AI gonna take care of it. For example, nowadays, right, we have a many things available, like a see virtual assistance point of view, like a Siri, Alexa, right, and face recognition, navigation maps, right. All are actually part of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a big one, guys. Under that artificial intelligence, so machine learning is one of the subpart. Deep learning is one of the subpart. Generative AI also one of the subpart. So let me show you. So for example, so if you treat like a, the big one is artificial intelligence, AI, right? So machine learning, right here, one of the subpart, right? Deep learning also one of the subpart. So generative AI also one of the subpart. All are subparts. So whatever the Siri, Alexa, right, navigation apps, right, Facebook recommendations, right, face recognition, YouTube recommendation, Netflix recommendations, all are developed by the right AI related things only. Maybe some of the applications part of the machine learning, some of the applications part of the directly deep learning, some of the application directly part of the generative AI. Anyway, whatever the application chatbots developed by the machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, right? Those are indirectly part of the artificial intelligence, right? Artificial intelligence is a big one. Under that, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, right? Those are subparts. Those are subparts. Okay. See, for example, I hope you guys are aware of it, right? Siri, Alexa, right? Even though, right? Let me play some sample videos. See, guys, when you ask, I hope you guys are listen that voice, right? Can you please confirm the YouTube play voice? It's audible or not?
No.
No. Others, please confirm. Okay, anyway, right. For example, if you ask, right, the Siri or else Alexa or Google, right? So, whatever the question, like for example, Alexa, what's the weather today? Right? This Alexa or else Google actually understand your voice and it will give the answer. Right? AI means simple, guys. AI we can treat like it is a technology that allows the machines to perform right task. Whatever human right having the intelligence, same intelligence right gonna applicable to the this AI, right? So majority human point of view, right? Few things mandatory. Okay. For example, if you are planning to do any work, the work may be anything, right? So the very first point is human point of view. Learning is the important, right? Learning is the first basic important part. Next one, thinking, right? Thinking. So next, understanding, right? Understand. Next one is problem solving. And finally, decision making. Okay. So these 5 points is mandatory. Learning, right? Thinking, understanding, okay, and problem solving. Okay. Same mission also, whatever the human having the same intelligence. This, okay, whatever this learning, thinking, understanding, problem solving, decision making, same pattern, right? Already applicable to the your AI, right? AI also following the same pattern, right? Whatever the generally, right? Generally, every human thinking same pattern. AI also follow the same process. Same process. Here, question: what is the importance of AI here? Right? So, very, very important is the very first one is, guys, save the time. For example, nowadays, right? Everyone, right? Uh, IT, IT sector point of view, right? Earlier, everyone nowadays part of the sprint-based process, right? Right? Sprint means if software, while working with the software point of view, guys, there is a methodology actually people following. Either waterfall methodology is the old process. Nowadays, everyone following the sprint-based process, agile based methodology, Kanban or something, right? If you part of the sprint, right, every day, right, your Scrum Master actually gonna assign the user story or else work item. So, for example, means simply someone actually assigning the right work to you, right? So your responsibility, whatever the work is assigned by the someone, you need to finish that work. Simple, right? So the things we can call it as a work item, right? Or else user story, right? User story or else work item, right? Your scrum master, right? Someone, your lead, right? Giving the right work to you. You need to finish that, right? The task in given time, right? So earlier days, right? Without a anyway, everyone using the Google, right? Trying to get the solutions. There are n number of solutions available in the market, right? For example, while working with the any technology, maybe if you guys are part of any like a .NET, Java, Python, Ruby Rails, DevOps, right? SAP, HANA, right? Anything, right? Everyone earlier, right? Trying to search the solutions from the Google, okay, Stack Overflow or something, right? Those are right general solutions available, general solutions. One problem having the n number of solutions, right? One problem having the n number of solutions. We need to apply the right solutions to the your problem. Obviously, right, while googling, right, while learning, while applying, while debugging, right, maybe it will take some time, maybe 8 hours per day, maybe 2 days, 3 days or something, right? Once the A actually comes to the market, nowadays every project actually using they own AI tools. They own AI tools. These AI tools actually giving the solutions, okay, respect to your client related solutions only, not a open solutions. Okay, with the help of these solutions, right? The very first benefit is the benefit of the AI is the AI important is save the time, right? Save the time, right? And generally, we are humans, right? Whatever the code is there, right? While working with the code, right? Obviously, right? Human errors. Okay. So the benefit of the A is it will reduce the human work, right? Reduce the human work. Second point. Third point is we'll try to finish the work as soon as possible, right? Work faster. Okay. So AI also actually gonna play the very important key role. Not only developer, not only tester, not only DevOps engineer, right? Maybe business, right? Maybe clients, right? Many places, right? This AI actually gonna helps to the even though business also, right? Business also, right? And and with the help of this AI, right? Um, whatever we are doing the things, right? Okay. Easy to do, easy to we can finish our work, right? Nowadays, AI, right, available into the many places, guys. For example, if you take a phones, right, AI already there, right? If you take hospital, right, especially, right, X-rays point of view, right, a scanning point of view, okay? For example, cars, self-driving cars, right? Maybe schools, right? Banking sectors, right? And shopping related apps like e-commerce related, maybe Flipkart, Amazon, right? Recommended apps, right? Social media, especially Instagram and all, right? Like pages, comments, recommended. So many places, right? A gonna play the important role. Okay. So if you take healthcare, banking, insurance, stock market, right? A actually gonna play the very important key role. Okay. The very first example is okay. The very first example YouTube guys. Okay. YouTube one. Right. YouTube. For example, YouTube recommendation. Simple, we can call it as a recommendations. Recommendations. YouTube recommendations. Netflix recommendations. Right. Very important. Netflix also. Right. These two things actually developed by the AI only. For example, in YouTube, if you want to search some video, right? For example, YouTube suggests you some similar videos, some recommended channels, right? Whatever earlier, right, you watch the existing video, how long you watch the video, right? What you like. So based upon your earlier browser, earlier history, the YouTube actually gonna recommended the similar videos, recommended the similar channels. Okay, YouTube recommendation also one of the AI related application. Okay, so whatever you learn in YouTube, right, whatever you given the interest, maybe news, right, or else maybe sports, right, maybe yoga related, anything, whatever earlier you browsed, right. So based upon your interest, this AI, right, giving the okay another recommendations. Same Netflix also. For example, I'm very much interested to watch the action movies. This Netflix also it will recommend the more action movies, right? So these two things actually recommended system, right? Even though like what we can say, mm, Flipkart, right? Flipkart, right? Amazon, right? Those are e-commerce based application. These two also recommendations. Recommendations. For example, I browse trying to search something, a mobiles or else okay any other thing, any products. So next time also, right, you will see the same recommendations products only, like Instagram, okay, social media, right, which post to show first, which reels you you may like. So based upon your earlier likes, earlier comments, earlier shares, right, the watch time, right, Facebook, Instagram also comes under the AI related applications. A. Let me come back to this content. Navigation apps also, guys. Right? Navigation also. For example, I'm planning to go to the one location to the another locations. Right? So this one which is developed by the AI only. If there is any traffic, Google maps automatically change the routes to the right places. Okay, it will predict the traffic, right? It will suggest the fast routes, it will find the shortest routes. Google Maps also, which is developed by the AI only. Even though face recognition also, face recognition. Okay, for example, nowadays face unlocking. right? Your phone actually, right, recognize the your faces and based upon the AI, right? Already AI is there in the back end. Your eyes, your nose, your face shape, right? It will identify the correct pattern. Face recognition also, which is developed by the right AI only. The virtual voice assistants also, like this one, Siri, Alexa, right? Google assistants, right? So whatever you speak, for example, play music, AI understand your voice and perform the task, right? Voice recognition, speech recognition also part of the AI only, right? Either Alexa, sorry, even the robots, right? For example, IPL, there is a robot dog is there. See, guys, even though this robotic bot also, which is developed by the AI only, AI. Okay. So the Siri, Alexa, Google, even the self-driving car also. Let me play the video. See, self-driving cars, guys. Okay. These cars developed by the AI, it will detect the roads, it will avoid the obstacles, it will follow the traffic rules. AI actually helps to car actually gonna drive the very safely. Okay, and chat gpt also. So whatever you give in the questions, right, it will give the answers, right? The essay writings, right, it will generate the code, right? For example, if you are planning to learn any technology, any topic, right, either medicine or it's code or anything, right, it will give the clear cut information about that one. It will understand the human language. Okay.